Guys, welcome to our channel Forex Capsule. I'm hoping that everyone good and fine. And those who have seen the last day video, we have booked very good in gold and Bitcoin. And let's see today the news is going to come at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Let us check what is the data. So data is core PC price index and prelim GDP. So this is very I have already marked the levels. This is a very good support level 4620 and multiple actually we can see the last day low is 4613 and this is liquidity zone. So I'm expecting if it is coming here a level of 4600 there will be good buy. But depends upon data also. So we have seen a good bounce from the level of 4620. It's like multiple support level. If we along the chart, we can see over here. So and also in BTC, if we see in longer time frame, so it's completely in range in the base. This is the major breakout area from the last side. So this is 78 200 level and this level 78,000 level. So I am expecting that if it is taking liquidity, it can come up to here, and these all the other levels I have marked. So here multiple time it has taken bounce back in a longer time frame. So levels are marked. So it's making multiple time bottom. We can see in this level. This is this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is 16. So I'm expecting a bounce back. A trend line was made in morning itself, and it doesn't break till now. Gold has broken the trend line, and it is sustaining the level of 4620. 4620 is very important level. So it is sustaining. And yesterday we have booked very good moves in gold and Bitcoin. 1,000 point move in Bitcoin, and in gold like 20 points. But it has given more 20 points further as our target was done. I was out of the market. So let's see. It's giving good breakout structure. It is forming in 1 minute time frame. It break this level already. I have marked 4620. Then after it has given breakout. Now it is sustaining like 4630 level. So let's see what the data is coming. I am in buy on dip side. Let's see. This was the proper level of buying, but I was waiting for the data news to come. Ethereum, if we see Ethereum, it's also in a range. As of now, this is the base 2455. Below this, we will think of selling or something, depend upon the news. If we check dollar index, see sharp downside move in dollar index, making gold to move upside. Sharp downfall. So 5 minute time frame. So factors are positive for gold, but if we see from last week, we have seen a very good down move in gold. So this is the base as of now, 4620. This is a proper buying area. The trend line has been broken before the news, so we are waiting. Let's see what is the news going to come. If we see war news, core price this is 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. crude oil inventory. So we are expecting. Yesterday move was good. Let's see today. Gold is in completely range bound. We can see if we see in longer time frame. Yeah, a small resistance is at the level of 4630. After breaking this trend line, it has not touched. So if the movement, if so, we'll wait for proper level. After breaking the trend line, it has moved upside. So and if we see Ethereum is quite bullish above this level. And BTC is also ranging between 78,600 to 78,200. We can think this is no trade zone, or we can trade in range bound, like sell from high and buy from the support. So gold is struggling. Let's see whether it is breaking the range. Trend line was quite very good, and it was following the lower high lower low pattern, and this is a change of character over here. It should come here. Let's see what is the data. It's 6 minutes for the news. Bitcoin in a shorter time frame, we can see double bottom kind of thing is made here. So I'm expecting a good move. Breaking this level, it will touch up to 4640, and above 4640 we will see further buying. So this should be the strategy in gold. For selling, we will see good selling. For good selling, we will see below 6010, below this level only. As I told, this is the base double bottom like structure is there. So it is reversing back. This is a major area of 78,600. Let's see whether it's going to sustain or not. If it is breaking it, we will see the target of 78,800 firstly, then after above. I'll mark the levels. This kind of pattern, if it makes with a strong candle, then after we can think of buy. For selling, if we see in more longer time frame, if we are seeing for selling, we should see uh, below 78,000. If it is breaking down very strongly, Then after we can see this. As of now, Bitcoin is very strong. So we will find the way for we'll find the buy on dip strategy that will be very good for BTC, and BTC and Ethereum will be showing same like movement. So this can be the buying area if it is come, or else breaking above the structure. The breaking the structure will wait. Before data moves will be like that. Yesterday also data was buy, but even though we have seen a long red candle, then after it went at the top in Bitcoin in live, and I have shared the views in my other platforms, Facebook and Telegram. You can check it out. Forest capsule. Let's see. 3 minutes remaining for the data. 2 minutes more. Let's see what kind of movement it's going to give. Other factors are quite positive for the market. And crude oil is also down, so it's also a factor that can push gold upside. So we will see what is the movement it's going to be. We can see before the news downside move in gold, in dollar index. So the gold is pushing quite upside. We'll wait for the level to break. 1 minute time frame, it is sustaining the level. So breaking this trend line will be better to buy. On those who want to buy from 600, there is SL will be approx 78,300 nearby. So it's better if we get in these levels in buy side data, then it's quite better to take enter. Hmm. Broke before the news, it is breaking. Let's see, it's 1 minute to go for the news. Let's see what the news is coming. Dollar index is pushing itself down, and we can see spike in gold 4630 level. Above this, it can go up to here. Let's see what is the news spending. Dollar index is down, so we can see the spike. See, first eating it is eating the SL. One is constant, core price CP is constant. It is constant. What is another one? See, very good. As I told that it can come up to here. You can see a very good move. So this was the buying area actually. While we were seeing the news, it moved. Code, this is buy. One is selling, two are constant. So we can expect both the data is there for buying and selling. We can say this is for buying. There is not so much effective, and these two are constant. It should be considered as that for dollar index that it can push down. So it's better one side move gold has given. So let's see. We'll wait. This area also multiple time gold has tapped it. So if it can come down, it can see the liquidity area of 4601 or 4600. Below this, If pattern is like this, I have drawn already. Below this, we will go for selling, or else the strategy should be buy on dip, or else we'll wait. No issues. This was the entry here while seeing already the level was marked. Let's see dollar index. It has not broken the high yet. Why we can see the high is like approx 99, or we can say 98.980 or something is there. So it has taken the liquidity of 78,200. Just few minutes back, I told that it can come up to here for taking the liquidity. And as the news came, it has swept the SL over here. Oh my God, dollar index is making so large candle in 1 minute time frame, we can see. But I don't think that it should sustain above the higher level. It should not sustain above the 98.980 level. Then we can see sharp up move in BTC and gold as well. A strong candle above this we can see buy, or else we can see buy above this. Structure has been made. So above 4620 structure will be like this, and it will go up to 4630 first, then after above levels are there. A good spike is seen in gold and Bitcoin as well. So it has taken the liquidity and gold is just shooting up. Let's see. Very fast momentum is going on. Bitcoin also in a range. Again, we'll check the news. It's constant. One is selling, one is buy. This all are not so much stronger, even though it has affected. It has given the movement for the downside, because selling news is more than buying one, and totally depend upon the dollar index. If it is sustaining upside above 98,980, if it is sustaining above, but I hope so that it should fall down. Why? Because you can see this is the multiple time top area, so it should fall from here. It can. So let's see what the move it's going to give. It will take a little bit time. It has given a long spike in the last candle, so I'm not expecting that it should go below this, but we'll wait. Better to wait for the moment. So above 4630, first target is 4640. I will wait for selling. I'm not into selling below this trend line also, and below the level of 4620. If a strong candle is going down, then only I will be looking for downside, or else I am not going to look for the downside. I will wait. See, for this going to come near to first target of 4630 above this. So this low will be the SL, and let's see whether it can reach or not. Bitcoin is coming down as dollar is sustaining near to high. Let's check in 1 minute candle. Bitcoin is coming near to low. If it is coming here, this will be the one buying area, and SL will be this lower candles low, like near to 7 800 200 points. SL will be there. If it is coming there, it can be a good buying area if data is supporting. Let's see. Dollar index is moving in, and if I'm checking the crude oil movement, yeah, crude oil is down only. That will be supporting gold and Bitcoin. We can see buy momentum from these levels. Not even a single strong green candle has been made yet. Downside in a longer time frame also, if we check in 30 minutes. So it has in 30 minutes also it has given a very good spike. So these candles, this low should sustain, or it may take liquidity here, and this lower leg here. For selling, we should see below this only. Better to wait for the moment. As the data came, it has given good spike downside. So even place is here for the liquidity. You can see this and this area. Respecting the trend line, this has been made before only. Let's wait for the moment. Dollar index is near to high. It is breaking the. It is near to that high candle. And if we see a US 30, it is slightly positive. Crude oil is 2.5% negative. So things are quite positive, but the movement is still as of now. Why? Because multiple entries are going to be made in this. This is the double top area. So in longer time frame, again it is moving by side, no? Slowly touching this all areas, like first, if it is sustaining here, it will come as we can see, restricted this level, opposes this level, and then came up to here like 78,600. So it should come up to here. If it is break, it should to go 78,800. Then it should go 79,200. Liquidity area is there upside. For selling data, as we can see, these two are constant. As I told when the news came that these two are positive for gold, and rather than that, we have one, two, three, four. Four data is selling. So in sell side, market has given momentum. Let's see what is going to do. Please keep your quantity low while you are trading in news time or data time, or you can avoid also, unless it should not come to your level. Must see and judge the levels, then only you should enter. Gold is coming quite down, touching the trend line. Liquidity area is this for last candle. If we see in 15-minute candle, is it? Yeah, it is still in 15-minute candle. In 5 minute, if we can see, so this is the liquidity area. Below this, it can come up to here also, and below this also. 4600. I told before only, these levels are buying level. Below that only we will think of selling, if anybody is thinking. So below that levels only we will think for selling. And in Bitcoin 78,000, if it is breaking with a strong red candle and the follow-up candle is also below that, then only we will think for sell, or else get a good dip. Already these levels were mentioned before only, as I told that it can come up to here. So those who have kept a bid near to this, like 78,050 or 100, uh, it is near to 300 as of now. Gold is showing some potential from downside. As we can see, gold is completely related with dollar index. As we can see the negative candle, we can see spike in gold. So you can see same like in Bitcoin too. Let's see whether it can break this level in this momentum, or it will take some time. Or it will take some time for US Open. Ethereum, as I told, 2455, this area, this zone was there. So it tapped it, it took SL, liquidity of this area, this also. Now 4620 is a very important support, as it is sustaining 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth candle of 5 minutes. So first target will be up to here, 4630. Above this, we will think of another. Dollar index is in range, breakout, change of character, then sustaining the high side. But let's see the move. We'll wait for the US Open. After US Open, we'll see what kind of movement it is going to give. Gold is expecting dollar index. You can see the positive move in this. It is coming down. So we'll wait for it. Let US market open. Till that, it will make seller, I guess. Then after a good move, we can see for downside. I clearly indicated in our chart. For downside, we will look below 78,000 only. If not, wait, let the levels break, then after only we should enter, or we'll wait. Dollar index is near to the high. This was the high, breaking the high. So after breaking the high, it is not able to push down below 4620. It's showing that it is going to go down, but let's see. We should wait. Four six for selling side. This is no trade zone till 46202, 4610, and 4600. This 20 points is no trade zone for selling side. For selling side, it should break this level strongly. Then after we can see. Or else we have to wait. Now Bitcoin is resisting the area of 78,200, and gold is also respecting the level of for 4620. Let's see. Now above it it should touch this, and above the area of 4630. If it is breaking strongly with this pattern, we will go again upside. Gold is trying to come up. One more level in Bitcoin is this 400 level. As I indicated before, then this area it can touch, and it came after telling these things. It came up to the liquidity area. Those who have bite from the level of liquidity area and the support level, I clearly mentioned that 78,000 and below we will see for selling. So it doesn't went there. We are waiting. Data is buying and selling for both. So selling side already we have seen the momentum. As I told, 3 is buying and 4 is selling. So selling side we have seen the momentum, and Bitcoin and gold is resisting, or we can we can tell taking support from the 78,000 level. So this is the SL. Below this we can keep 77,900, and below above 78,400 we'll see good move. For big target, I'm expecting it should come up to 79,200 level, but totally depending upon the US Open. See, this is the top for the dollar index. This was the high. It's near to high. Not sustaining above the high. A good downfall in dollar index, we can see a good move in gold to upside. It will push it up. So Bitcoin breakout, then buy. As we can see, movement in dollar index, it is near to high and breaking somewhat of it. It is showing that it is going to go up. So we are seeing this downside momentum. Below this trend line, we will look for sell. If not, we have to wait. Bitcoin, all are in still now. Let's see. The move of dollar index is deciding the movement of gold and every crypto as of now. Let's see when the US will open. Dollar index is breaking high and we can see downside momentum in gold. In this kind of movement in dollar index, it should push more down to gold, but gold is resisting from downside level. It means, see, again took the SL. Right? As I told that it should go down, it broke. As I told that in this kind of movement, gold should break the downside levels, and it given downside momentum once. But these all are temporary. It has taken liquidity of this area also. Let's see the move is faster, stronger, or what. Every move is with the dollar index. We can see the spike. This is spike. So it's resisting, as I told, it is resisting the downside area. It's very good. Above this, we should buy. If a strong king candle closing above 4620 will be a good buying area. For selling straight, we should go down. Down of 4600. If making a strong downside candle, red candle, then after we can see. Or else we will wait, no issues. Let the US market open. This move in dollar index is pushing gold down, but gold is resisting as of now. Mhm. So before the US market opens, it has given the downside momentum. So highly probability is there when it opens, dollar index should go down, and we can see up move in Bitcoin and Ethereum and gold too. because coming this much point, it is not able to push gold down. See, it's breaking high. I told already that it should not go above the high like this was the area before. 98.980. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, that was day's high. And it's yesterday's high is 99.027. So it may take, it is near to that, it may take the liquidity of last day candle, then it may down. But it already is in down move. So we should see the buying opportunity in Bitcoin and gold. See, it is not going down, even though Durant is making high. If we come in 1 minute candle, you can see here. It's too much. Let's see Bitcoin again. Ethereum. Those who want to buy Ethereum, they can buy in the area of 42450 level, near to that, and SL will be like 10 point SL. But it's better to wait for US Open. See, this area is buying only. SL mandatory. Like if you are buying from 50, if you are getting, that is very good. In this level, if you are buying, it is very good. And SL will be of like 10 points. Ethereum. Gold, same logic. See, dollar index, the candle is moving high, and I will mark the level in longer time frame. This is yesterday high. So I am expecting it should take liquidity of last day candle and it should fall. So we can see it is the area of, yeah, now it is clearly visible. This is like, if it comes here means it is like double top kind of pattern, and it should fall down from here after US market open, and gold and Bitcoin and these all things should boost. So this is better till now. If we seen 5 minute candle till now, it is respecting the trend line and the multiple bottom area. Like yesterday also in same time, it came up to here 4613 and near to 4600, and it came up. So if I take you in this level, see, as I told, it taken the liquidity of this last swing low, and yesterday it taken liquidity of it, and today it may take liquidity of this. Yeah, it's near to that. We will wait. Bitcoin is still stable. Yeah, it touched the double top area. So we can buy gold now, and the SL will be below 4600. We can buy over here like 10. It's near to 4610. We can buy over here. It should fall. It's taken the last day high liquidity. I will push it. It's not coming. Yeah. As I told, we can buy over this 4610 level, and it is now 5 points up. 4615, 4616. Super move. This is double top kind of pattern, so it should fall down from here. I am expecting, but I was expecting that if see market is not opened yet. You can see US market is not opened yet. So as it opens, we will see the move. See 17 now, 18. Now you can trail the SL. It is not going below the trend line also. Those who have buy from 4610, as I told you can buy from here. SL will be below this. You can keep here also or below this. Kindly go and check now. 10 points you are getting. See, again it came up to 4620. Now it's coming above. I clearly told, mentioned the level. This is the double top area. Dollar index can touch over there, and it touched. It kissed it. And let's see in US market. I am expecting if when your US market opens, it should come down, and we can see a very good move upside. Superb. 11 points we are getting in gold now. Market is waiting. Easy 10 points with a proper SL. Bitcoin is resisting this area. So above the area of 400, good candle close above this, we will buy. 78 400 is the level. Manipulating now. Oh my god, dollar index is sustaining high or what? I think movement will happen after 7 o'clock. We are seeing longer spike in downside. You can check in all the candles. If I extend the chart, we can see long spikes. So sellers are more below this level. Market will not go, according to me. So as it comes down, we should buy only. Yeah, definitely we'll go for sell below the level. I have marked below the level of this 4600. If a strong red candle, then this, then we can see. And if we see one more, this if we make a trend line from here for the tops, so market will show the area of this 4630 level. So above this only we can plan another buy. If not, 4600 is the level. Bitcoin is coming to low. Dollar index is making high. It's kind of double top pattern if we see the longer time frame 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart in dollar index, what it is showing. Okay, there is gap, so it's filling the gap. Yeah, this is liquidity area only. Waiting to open US market, then after we will see the momentum. Avoid trading with the huge quantity. Wait, let the levels, we are having the levels 4620 is the level. Above this we will think for buy. This is short momentum. I'm avoiding the short momentum. Yesterday we have booked 1200 point in Bitcoin and like 40 to 50 points in gold. So that is more than enough for a day. So let it come to the level. Level will tell you to buy. So don't be greedy. I think the momentum we can see will be after 7 o'clock. So let's wait for it. 50 area I told in Ethereum that we can buy from 50 and we can keep 10 point SL. If you're buying from 50, it came up to 245, and the SL will be below this, or we can put below the low liquidity area. This is liquidity area, so we can keep more 2 point down, like 2 3 point down of 2439, like 11 point. See, after 50 it is coming up. Come on. Bitcoin in liquidity area below this level, with a strong candle closing below this level, we will think for sell, or else we can buy in liquidity area, but let US market open. Gold again taken this liquidity of 4610, and one more area is pending for downside. Means if it is sustaining here, so more further 10 point fall will be there, like up to 4600. Bitcoin up to the final liquidity area. This area will be like double bottom. So I am not interested in selling. I will wait for the proper indication. We'll go for buy. Let the US market open. This is manipulating. Bitcoin is coming near to final liquidity area. Ethereum is same too. In liquidity area, both gold, Ethereum, and BTC. Selling area will be this, as I mentioned. Dollar index is still sitting. US market is still not opened. So after it open, we can see the momentum, whether it is going to go down or making for trap or trapping sellers to come. Taken the liquidity. This up to this 800 liquidity area is there. Gold we should buy above the trend line only. Selling will be below. This is liquidity area. Another one is here. So taking the liquidity of 78,000, let's see whether it sustains or not. Let the US market open. We will see good move after 7 o'clock, I guess. Unless it crosses our area, we should not be so much greedy to enter in the market. Let it go, no issues. Again, we'll check 1 day time frame, the 5 minutes and 5 minutes. See, as I told it, this will be the double top area. It has taken the liquidity, and I'm waiting for US Open. Then after, I'm expecting good moves. For buying in gold, we should buy above 4620. Some news came, I guess. It, as I clearly mentioned that it can come up to 46,100. It came up to there. As I told, 4600 is the final liquidity area. Till 595 it can come because you can check it. This is the yesterday low and it is taken the liquidity of that also. Oh my god, dollar index is coming down. Even though my movement is like this. A small spike was there, nothing else. So it has taken completed the liquidity area. And Bitcoin too will wait for the movement. Why? Because I'm not seeing any. See, taking liquidity and came again up to the last candle high. The proper buy will be above the trend line, or we can say 4620 level. Clearly, it swiped the liquidity area and came sharp up move. I told that I will be selling only below the level of 4600. I already marked in. If you I will open in longer time frame. Below this only I will go for sell if a strong candle is closing. You can see I am clearly updating the levels very much clearly that this is the liquidity final liquidity area because yesterday low was this, low swing was this, so this was the move. So we will wait above 4620 level we will buy. Again I told that we will see the movement after 7 o'clock. This is also good movement but very risky movement. Totally giving on news. So better let it come confirm our levels then only we should enter or else no need of taking panic. Took proper liquidity area of 4600 it came up to it made low 4598 something and sharp spike upside. Bitcoin also in liquidity area. Let's see what move it's going to give. This is one area and this is one area. 77,800. Below this levels also, if any strong candle closing, we can look. If not, we should wait. We should avoid. Same move, like dollar index is coming up and the gold and Bitcoin is moving downside. You can see red candle. See the spike. More 7 minutes to go. Let's see after 7 minutes what is the move going to come. This is the liquidity area. So if taking selling will be below 77,800 and this zone. If it is breaking strongly this zone, this area, then after we can look for good selling or else not. Bitcoin dollar index took liquidity in lower area, now coming down. Down means it is in range only. This is 1 minute time frame. Bitcoin in liquidity area. Let's see dollar index. More 5 minutes to go. Let's see. Above this trend line, again we will look for buy. And major level is 4620. Okay, crude oil came. We will check the news. Some news came actually. Trump down Iranian death. Trump doubts Iranian Ayatollah death rumors. We'll check here. No news here. If you check the news in what is the news? US percent orders July. Iran has shifted its military decline from a defensive posture to an offensive. Yes, sluggish on pace in second quarter, but customers in Gold ticks lower US inflation data in spotlight. Mhm. Movement is sluggish now. Don't know what is going to give, whether it is going to go down only below 4600, below 77,800 in BTC. If not, we should wait. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 time bottom area. US market opened. Dow Jones is 160 point positive. You can check it here. As it opened, we can see spike in Bitcoin, gold. See, broke the trend line. Let's see whether this candle is sustaining or not. As I told, 7 o'clock we will see sharp momentum. You can see the candle spiking out. This is 7 p.m. candle spiking out. See the momentum. SAR momentum upside after US Open. Let's see. SAR moment above 4610. Sharp momentum upside gold has given. And let's see if it is sustaining above 4620. Then we will see for buying. If not, we should wait. Struggling to cross 4620 level. We'll wait. Bitcoin also struggling to cross the level of 48200. Let's see whether it can cross or not. Now we are seeing a spike. Not just crossed. And gold is near to 4620. Finally given the momentum. My God. Let's see whether it sustains or not. As I told clearly, I will be in buy side. So let's see the movement, whether gold can cross 4620 or not. Dollar index again coming to form in intraday double top pattern, so we can see this movement. So let's see. Whether it can break the level of gold is still struggling to close the level of 4620. 7 o'clock spike we have seen. Now see, let's wait for the level 4620. Seven eight four zero. As I told that after breaking this level, first target will be 78400. Let's see whether it is able to break this or not. So level of 78,400 in Bitcoin. If it is breaking and making the candle formation, strong candle breakout, retest, then buy. Struggling at 78 400 BTC. Gold is struggling for 5.4620. Yeah, just now BTC broke the foot 78 400 level. Let's see whether it sustains or not. We can check. We need a strong breakout. Then the target will be 78 600, then 78 800. So above this target is done. Above 78 to I told this is the liquidity area we should think of buy from these levels. Those who have bought, they are getting very good points over here. So above 400, if it is sustaining, we can see a good target up to for 78 600. Let's see. Gold is not able to push above. Bitcoin, it should sustain 400 level. It should not come down. It's not sustaining. In 1 minute chart, we are not seeing Bitcoin to sustain 400 level. Let's see. Dollar index is stable. It is not giving. See, after the target of 400, it came down. BTC. Now 400, 78, 400 is the resistance area of BTC. Let's see whether it is tapping or it can move up. Yeah, broke again. Candle should close above 400 strongly. Then only we can look further buy move. Not able to close above 78 400. Okay, Dow Jones is negative, so only this move is happening. Again trying near 400. Again not able to break. We can see the candles. Gold is also struggling to break. Once it breaks 4620, I am expecting a good move upside. Gold is trying to break. See, gold is trying to break. Push it, gold, push it. That should come below this. Then we will see a gem in gold. near to our level of buying. Any strong candle above this, we can go for buy. Breaking the level of 4620, not sustaining over here. Bitcoin in a smaller time frame, 1 2 3 4 5 6 time it is trying to break out. Let's see, it's breaking this area will take it up to first target 78,600. Those who are in buy from these levels, these I told this is buy area, liquidity area, and clearly told. So you can keep trailing the SL, and our final target is like 79,200. If it is sustaining, gold is struggling in the same area. I told above trend line break also we can buy. We have seen a buy momentum still. Move is going on, struggling at the same area. Same time, keep watching dollar index movement. If it is falling, dollar index is falling, we can see huge momentum in gold. If it is not falling, it won't. I told I'll be in buy from downside, so I am in that only. I told clearly that if it is going below 4600, then only I will think of selling. If not, I am not interested in selling. And you can see a good momentum. I told after US Open we will see. You can see within 10 minutes of US Open a very good buy momentum. So this kind of knowledge we will share with you, and you can see check it out that how the things are going on. So these are the thing completely I told live, and see after breaking 4620 area, the momentum how it is showing, you can check it out. So this is the level when, as I told, even this, I think in Ethereum, the liquidity area, a little bit long. I will take the long SL, but I told clearly that you can buy with 50 with the SL of 10 points. But those who know in one lot, if you are trading in Ethereum, easily you can put lower side SL and good target. Here also we can see in Ethereum mostly I won't trade, so just I updated the levels. So Bitcoin, as I told, 400 if it break, it will touch 600. It came up to 550 level, that 78 550 level. And again, for gold, it is struggling the level of 4620. Let's see, push it, gold, push it, push it, push it. Bitcoin again resisting the area. Gold is trying to pull it upside. Let's see whether it is able to sustain or not. Little bit move in dollar index, you can see the momentum. Little bit upside, it is pushing down. Let's see spike in gold. Push it, man. Minimum 4630. Again resisting from upper side. Bitcoin, why it is resisting, I'm not understanding. In the 400 area. Minimum it should go up to 78 600 level. Gold is trying to keep itself above 5 minutes candle, still not close above the level of 4620. It has to close. Dollar index again same place, no strong movement at all. 5 minute candle should close above 4620. Let's see. It has given a spike and coming down. Spike, man. Finally above 4625. Let's wait for 4630 first, then 4640. Bitcoin again coming down. What the shit is happening here? Gold is again trying to come up, but it is not. Even though dollar index is giving downside move, it is not able to push itself. Hmm. As I told in dollar index, you all have seen that this is the double top area for intraday. It is coming. Same like it happened, it fall down. As it crashed, we had seen a good spike in gold. So let's wait for first 4630. Let's see whether gold can push or not. Bitcoin is coming down. Small movement in dollar index, you can see the momentum opposite. So BTC have rejected the level again coming to the basement area. What happened to gold? Yeah, push it. Mhm. What is gold is holding on? I'm not able to understand. For gold, sentiment and fundamentals are good as of now. So we have seen buy from 4620 level, but the kind of momentum I was expecting, it is not, but it has given, no? It had came up to 29 approx, 4629. And I told clearly this is liquidity area. So it has given actually good movement, but I don't know whether it why it is not able to sustain. Come on, come on, come on. BTC, BTC, gold, 5 minute time frame. It has sustained the level of 4620. If you are watching and if you have watched our old levels, old videos, sorry. So I was telling that gold is buy from 4120 level. Now it is approx 500 600 point upside. So those who are watching, no, they can easily get. Yesterday also we captured 1,000 point in Bitcoin, and gold 20 points I captured and I was out because I had some work, and very good target we got, and we can see gold near to approaching our target of 4630 level. Bitcoin again trying to push it up. Let's see. Come on, gold. Touch it, man. 4629. Hit it. This dollar index is not falling down. If one red candle will give proper target, but it is not moving. Above 30 closing with a strong candle, no? We can see more spike. BTC is sustaining the level of 78,200. Let's see whether it want to be in range or whether it want to spike. The spike again we will see at the level of above 78,400. Come on, gold. Come on. Why slowly? Hmm. 4629.5. Oh, again down, 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 down. Come on, break it. Yeah, touched our level. Target of 30 came from 20 to 30. Today it took longer. Yesterday it was very fast. So 10 points straight above the level of 20. But above this, if you want to see again, the candle should close strongly above 300. But this is also double top area. So let's see whether it respects or it should fly. Again, dollar index is coming up. My God, yeah, why you are doing like this? Let it fly. Mm, Come on, dollar index, support us. So target of this it's achieved 4630 as I told above this level straight target. Now above 43 4630 again we will see above this breakout with a strong candle again we will see up to here. So once 10 point target achieved with a good momentum and again Bitcoin is crossing 400. Now we can expect up to here first. 78,600. Let's see whether it comes or not. I will share the targets what I have executed. Same levels at the same time. You can check it out. The levels and all. Whatever I am doing or not, you can check it out. Same level I will be sharing in my platforms. Join us and see the levels what we have told and what we are getting. It will be helpful to us and to you also. Let's see whether we can reach at 40 or not. Broke 30. Not sustaining or what? Mhm. Not sustaining 30. We can see dollar index is spiking up. Bitcoin is crossing, gold is struggling. Bitcoin has touched the target of 78 600. We can see nearby, means sorry, it didn't touch, but spike is up to uh, 78.5, sorry, 78,585. Move in dollar index, we can see the spike of dollar index took gold quite down. Let's see the 5 minute candle where it's going to close. It's closing quite down. Bitcoin above 600, we will look around 78 800. Both Bitcoin and gold is struggling to cross the levels of gold is struggling to cross the levels of 4630, and we as we saw sharp downside momentum here, and Bitcoin is also struggling to cross the trend line what I have marked, and the level of 78 600. Above this we can see a good momentum upside. Mhm. So next buying momentum will be above 46 sorry, 46 30. See here we can see multiple time it got rejected, and BTC 78 600, or we can say this trend line, or we can take the level of 600. This dollar index is making panic for both of these things, so let's wait for it. They are in huge buy side. Why? Because for falling this much, dollar index came up, but they both refuses to go down. But same I told, unless your level is coming, never take the entry and all. Level means you are safe with the SL. At least when your level is crossing, no, you are having good SL. So that will save you. And taking blindly, it is quite risky. Bitcoin broke the trend line, and and coming inside. So let's guess the level of 78 600. 78, 580, 90, again 70. 580, 78, 570 again. Come on, cross it, man. Again, wider time frame. Above this momentum will be there. Above 600, we are looking for 800. Yeah, check it out. 600 has been touched. Gold again near to 4620 area. Came and spiking. Bitcoin struggling again to cross 78,600. It touched the level of 78,600. Yeah, it touched the level. So very good momentum from this level 78,000 level. As I told, this is liquidity area. From here we got momentum of 600, but we have to wait and have patience for the level. If you have small quantity, definitely market will work out for you, and you have to just wait for it. Now above this candle is closing, then we can see again 200 point momentum. Just wait for it. No hurry in market. As I told, after 7 o'clock there will be good movement, and we have seen this. We have seen the momentum, right? So this is the thing happens in market. It will make you to wait. It will make you to panic. Just wait for it. This dollar index is making little bit panic, hoping that it should fall down, and definitely in coming days it should fall down only. But the thing is now it is making panic. BTC again struggling, breakout, yaar. Come on, come on, come on, breakout. Come on, gold. Already you have touched the level. Again you are coming down. No matter. 78,600 level. In BTC again, this is the line. Already these levels were drawn before only. Those who have joined us seeing us earlier. Every levels I am making to understand how we can trade and how we can enter in the market. Come on. Push it, push it. Struggling to cross 78,600. Whether it will blast or what in these levels. Let's see. Waiting again. Came down. Yeah. Gold is also struggling. I don't know what kind of momentum is going to give. So below this level, these levels are marked. We can take small targets. Like we can see up to here, like that. If it is breaking down up to here, breaking down up to here, and this level already it is there. If it is going up above level of 4 6. 30, then after we can see more further upside in gold. 4630 is the level. This target is clearly achieved. You can see strong, if I draw trend line. Please don't confuse with the level. These are the small levels and small support and resistance area, because if it is marked, it is easier to understand in smaller time frame that what can be the SL and what can be the target. So please don't confuse in that. BTC is struggling to cross the trend line and even the level of 78,600. Gold is also struggling to cross the level of 4630, and if we see in medium time frame, yeah, this is support area only, 4620 strong support area, and keep on telling this. Let's break out down. Dollar index is making it panic. Again, same area 4620. Those who are aggressive traders, they can buy. I am not suggesting to buy. If you want to buy with a small SL, you can buy also, no issues. But SL will be below this candle. It's a long SL. My trades are long, so I am taking a long SL. Once it can come down also for showing that it want to go down, but I am least interested in that. So above 600 there will be good spike, minimum 200 point. Then after, I am expecting, if everything is good, we can see 79 200 in minimum time frame. Gold, as I told, 20 is the support area, so it may be taking resistance. And as from when I am live, I am telling the news clearly. I told the news was 4 news was selling. 4 news was in selling side, and 3 was in buy side. I was quite in buy side in the market. I am not interested in selling, because it is in strong momentum, and even now I am telling, whatever the dip is coming, in earlier videos you can check it out. I have already informed, when dollar index is below 100, there will be buy and dip in gold, and it is when it was in above 100. I will show you the level from these levels. I am giving, I am coming sometime in live, but I clearly told, above 100 there will be sell from high, and below 100 for gold it will be buy on dip. As I told, those who want to buy from this level, they can buy. SL will be quite long, and like 4 point it is up. So let's see. It's trying to break out in a 5 minute time frame. It is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth time. Whether it can break or not. Gold also same. So in shorter time frame, gold is dollar index is giving a little bit sharp upside movement, so we are not able to see uh, gold in buying side. As it will fall down, you guys can check it out. As it will fall minimum up to here also, no, it will be like 30 to 40 points up. Ethereum also stable. Bitcoin struggling to break 600. So in shorter time, 1 minute time frame, you can see this is the bottom area. And in 1 minute time frame, if we see this is double top area. So this is in quite a little bit longer time, but we can see double top area is there. So I think it will be in quite range and slightly positive. Bitcoin is still struggling to cross the trend line even, not making any strong candle upside that we can think. Above 78,600, my view is first 800, then obviously psychological level 79,000, then above that 79,200. Because upper side, this is the only liquidity area above this. So 79,400 can be the target. Gold is quite sluggish. Bitcoin is trying to give momentum, but not able to cross the levels. Dollar index is coming at the highest level. So the momentum is like that. If dollar index falls quite little down now, we will see good momentum. Now we can see this is complete range in gold like 4630 to 4620. Broke, went up to here, broke down, came up to here. Now it will go up to here. Either it should break out. Downside, I am not interested, so I am not suggesting. Downside only, I am interested below 4600 with a strong candle downside, or else I will stay away from this. So it's better to avoid and wait for the levels. If level is there, please enter. If not, please avoid. And in Bitcoin also, I updated. Above the level of 78,600, we will think of buy. See, here it is sustaining and retraced many times. So better to wait for it. Don't be greedy in market. So it's breaking, trying to break the trend line. Bitcoin is trying to break the trend line and above the level of 78,600, we will see the momentum. Again, same structure. Gold also same. Gold in Bitcoin is also in range of 78,600 and 78,400, guys. So let it break above 78,600 and let the group gold break 4630. So straight target will be 20 points, and if it is breaking with a strong candle like this, how, and follow up candle is selling, then only we will see for sell. If not, we should wait. I am not interested in selling, so I am not updating for sell. See, below 20 it is not sustaining, it is just pushing it upwards. So if we enter also, it's a quite fearable thing, and dollar index is at a very top level. Anytime it can fall down, and if you are sure with the levels or news, then definitely you can go for buying. If not, avoid it. Why? Because it's totally depend upon the dollar index move, and if you can see, and this move is strongly, it is in upside. So anytime, and I am telling you, a little bit fall. If it fall 100 paise also, a gold will show you 20-30 point up move upside, because as you can see that it broke the level from the last day high, or sorry, days high, and again came here, make made one, we can say it sustained over here a range bond, then again it is coming up. So it's a very good high momentum for dollar index, but even though not able to break down gold to come down, means minimum it should have broke this and sustained the level. So this all area are buying level in, means in bigger time frame. If you are seeing below this any close, we will think for selling or sell on rise. If not, you find the opportunity of buying from down. So this area for Bitcoin is buying and buying level. So I am not interested in selling, so only I'm not suggesting. So this is the thing. This is at very much higher level. Anytime we can see spike. So if you are not sure with the level, please stay away from the market, or wait for the level to enter. Now, if you are getting 4600 level or for 4596 level in gold with a small SL of 10 points or 5 points, we can buy. If but every time you have to see the sentiment like dollar index and all. You can see the down moment why it is coming. You can see the Dow is falling down. These all are relative falling down. It is showing that I'm going to go down, but I don't think. And one more thing, it is on days high. You can see if you see, yeah, it is on weeks high. So it is giving 100 point down moment, and dollar index is showing that I want to go down. So this move in gold, we can see the down momentum is there. So don't be trapped in it. Before only I told don't be uh, like uh, I told that they are selling trapping the sellers. As it came down, it broke down, it broke down, it broke down. It was very strong support. You can see multiple time it went up 4620. You see, came down, came up, came up, came down, up, down, up, down. This is the major level. So after breaking this level, it will be showing like that only. And yesterday liquidity area was uh, I already updated liquidity area. This was the liquidity area. So definitely it will eat the liquidity area and it will go up. And it came up sharply, it came up. Now those who want to buy, I told already the levels are there. And if not, if you're not understanding, you can buy the after the breakout of this trend line. Very easy. Bitcoin also sharp momentum in a range of 78 200 and 78 400 600 it was there. Now it is down to 78 200. So again this can be the buying area 78,000. If you are in buy, if you are in selling, please sell below 78 800 with a small stop loss. I'm not in sell side, not that's why I'm not suggesting to sell. We have seen good momentum. So breaking this trend line, we will think of buy or else above uh, strong close above 4620. Then we can see up to 4630 and a strong buy will be above 4630 only. If not, just stay away from the market. It's just manipulating. Why? Because as I see, dollar index is at the highest level. See, again it is making high. So we are seeing fall in gold. When gold was in that this level before the data, gold was already running near to 4620 level, 46 even upside. Then if we relate this with the news time, dollar index was here, like below this means yeah, it was below this means 0.200 points. So it means what? In this dollar index move, it should crash. It should crash minimum 30 to 40 points. Like it should have came up to minimum 4580 to 4560. But gold is not ready to fall down. So it's better to find the opportunity from dip to buy. Don't go for selling. And Bitcoin, a strong trend line is still not broke. So let it break. Then we will see this area, or else wait, no issues. See, gold is not movement is very slow actually. You can see very less point, like 2, 3, 4, 5 point momentum is there. So tomorrow and actually for gold, Thursday and Friday is the good day for movement. So I'm expecting good moves, but we have to wait for it. Most of the time it is giving in night. In market we can't decide that when it can give movement or where it is going to go. Just we should follow our levels and wait. If we are getting perfect level we should enter. If not we should avoid. That's make it simple. Don't make it so tricky or problematic. So again this is bottom area in shorter time frame. If I go in 5 minute time frame, yeah, this is the area. This can be the liquidity area again of this candle. It is showing that I want to go down, but I am not interested. Again and again I'm telling. Even BTC and from if the movement is higher, like BTC moved more than I think 15,000 point in 1 week, I guess. So this pullbacks are very much normal for them. And even gold also like 400 to $500 it has moved. So this 30 40 point pullback is very much normal for climbing more. points up. So better we should wait. Any confirmation above, we will see. If not, avoid it. This marks, these are support level resistance, and these are patterns. These are the patterns you have to see in multiple time frame if you are not understanding the levels. So it will be easier. Don't make it tough by thinking or by overthinking that you're getting lost when you can recover and all. Make it simple. Follow two, three strategies, simple strategy. Know about the global market. I have seen many people's they are telling about the candles. Candles is not every time it's going to work out. You have to see the sentiment of market, global market, the things, what it can be. Like if it is coming down, it's not that it will go to the dump. Definitely it will return back and it can go even sky high. This is market. But the thing is your investment should be proper managed, that how you are managing it, how you are taking risk management should be proper. Then only it will help you. If not, greediness and fearness and overthinking and many more things are there in market that will stress, give you more stress in the market. So whenever you are trading, I'm requesting everyone, do not keep much stress and don't come here to earn like that. Today I'm going to earn this much dollar, this much money today I'll make. No, you should be simple. If market is going to give you, you just accept it. Your thinking should be like that. If there will be any perfect level, I will enter. If not, I won't enter. Because I hope everyone and everyone who are trading, they have very bad experience, and with that experience, peoples are gaining the knowledge and trading in the market, and that is helping it out. So mainly thing is patience in the market. If you have patience, definitely you are going to learn and you are going to earn. As you learn, you are earning. But don't be greedy. Today I'll book this much, that much. That will never let you happen, because market is making your mind like that only, that you come and give money and you can go, no issues. So better wait for it. Bitcoin again coming to liquidity zone. Dollar index is falling, but why gold is not moving? Oh my god, now I think crude inventory was there, no? Mhm. Selling for crude oil, that are good for market, right? Okay, crude oil came up, US oil came up, but inventory is for selling, right? Mm, I'm going ahead and Control is less than expected. Wait a minute. Okay, the thing is, crude oil inventory came and it is slightly positive, I guess, for crude oil. If the increase in crude inventories is more than expected, implies weaker demand. Let's see what is it is impacting. Mhm. Now it is coming in range. Breakout of these levels only we can buy, or else we should avoid. In Bitcoin also we booked little bit, and in gold also I'll be sharing my things, whatever it is in my Telegram and other platforms. Links have been shared, so kindly go through it. These are the levels. So breaking this, it will take up to here. As I told before, also breaking this, it will take up to here and below. So as you can see, move in dollar index down, it is spiking. So I'm not interested as of now for buying. Buying will be above this 4630. Why? Because you can see double top kind of structure in 1 minute time frame, and one more thing that before that data also gold was near to this area only. So breaking this area above only we can go for it, or else for me it's better to keep quiet. Why? Because now see, now we can see dollar index showing its greatness of coming down. So manipulating the moves is better. Mark your levels, let it come out. So these are the things. Yesterday also we have booked very good, and today also I have shared the good levels and the thinking of the market. So if you want to join, kindly like us, share us, subscribe us, and please comment. Uh, the whatever the levels we are sharing, it's very good. You can see our last videos that the levels what we are sharing, yeah, that are working out very good. So it may helpful to you also, guys, and wishing you everyone good night. And thank you. If any level is there, I will be updating in Telegram and other things. Thank you very much.